And to get the actual code on your computer, click fork. But you can see, if you read the README, go ahead and read it. But you can see we already have a Polymarket agent in here. So if I scroll down, you can see Polymarket agent.py. This agent scans Polymarket trades, saves markets to CSV, and uses AI to make predictions. No actual trading yet, but there will be trading because I have a Polymarket bot that is running here and I can just import it in. So as I do import it, of course, all of the code is going to be here. I do believe code's a great equalizer. I do believe the only edge you can get in crypto trading and prediction markets. I mean, prediction markets, you might be able to play around right now by hand, sure. But what happens, at least from my experience, is when I come over here and I start playing Polymarket by hand, I end up over here in these crypto ones that are just gambling, 1000x leverage. I know it's not actually 1000x leverage, but it's every 15 minutes. The price, you can bet on price. So it's kind of like zero DTE options, if you're familiar with those. Same with sports. So I stay away from those, but I want to have AI agents trade this for me. So what I'm doing is I'm getting all of the data set up in order for those agents to then be able to parse through and make decisions, because I truly believe that you can't just tell an LLM or an AI agent, hey, go buy this or look at this data and just tell me if you should buy or not. I think you need to layer in some sort of strategy on top of that. So that's what I'm doing by parsing this data. As you can see, I get rid of most of the sports. I get rid of most of the crypto stuff. And I'm parsing through this data, building out some of a strategy. So then when I ask my agents to make a move, like make a decision, at least I know there's already a strategy on top of it. Okay, so all the code's in the GitHub. You know everything. I'm going to start building here today. I'm going to turn this bot back on. This is my house coin bot. Don't worry about it. One house equals one house coin. Just took my first sip of coffee. Good morning. I hope you're doing well. Throw a 777 in the chat if you are here live. And let's get it, dude. Let's get it. So I want to build this dash out. So this new dash here. Couple new dashes, honestly. So let's go ahead and build those two dashes, and they're going to be absolutely slick. And maybe I can go ahead and, oh, I might just build it into this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead here and say GitHub. Let's get to the GitHub. Polymarket trading bots. Okay, sick. And then let's go ahead. I have the sweeper dash, I have sweeper mini, and then today's clusters. Okay, let's go ahead and say today's clusters here, and let's go ahead and close this off. And then C, shout out to SRC. So what I want to do is I want you to look at my sweeper dashboard, my sweeper mini, and today's clusters and whale dashboard. All of these different dashboards. I have an idea that I would like to execute, and that idea is I want to have a new section of my sweeper dashboard. Or maybe even a new file, probably a new section of my sweeper dashboard that will be closest to expiry. Essentially, I want to, every time we're looping through this, if we see that one market is ending in X hours, for now it'll be 72 hours, so under 72 hours closing, I want to store that data on the dashboard because I think that's interesting. I think it's very interesting to have another section of the dashboard. We'll keep the sweeper dashboard how it is, but then have another section that will be ending soon in under X hours. So it'll be under 72 hours. And, you know, we might run this for 7 days or 4 days, whatever. And it continues to compile more and more markets that are closing in that threshold. So for example, our 72 hours. So let's go ahead and try to build that. If you need to build some scripts in order to see if you can get that data, feel free to do that. Ask me any questions you have prior, and then let's get started. Okay, dude, guess what? Actually, I'm not going to put that prompt in. I have this prompter here. I've got this master prompter agent here, and she's going to make my prompt way, way better. So let's go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go ahead and put her in there. And this is sick. I'm glad I'm able to use this in the game today. Let's get it. Okay, maybe I can't. Maybe I can't, dude. Damn, dude. My little prompt thing doesn't work. Okay, let's fix that real quick. So let's go over there here and say, what's going on? So right now I put in a prompt like below and then I hit enter twice and then it doesn't work for some reason on my prompt agent. Maybe because the prompt's too long. I don't know. You tell me. I hit it enter twice and it's supposed to work. So let's go to the prompt agent. That just might be too long. So I built this agent the other day, yesterday actually, that goes ahead and builds out the perfect prompt for us. It takes any prompt that I put in and expands on it. I've just never used it with such a big prompt before. So maybe that's the reason. We'll see. Type error authentication. It's expired. Oh, auth. What the hell? API. Let's get it, bro. What's up? What's uppy? Okay, I'm just gonna have her go with this prompt for now, but we'll fix that in the meantime. And next prompt I do, I'll put it through there. Okay, how about that, dude? Because I want to step on the gas every single day, so I don't know what she's doing over here. What's this video, bro?
I can't believe you've lost all our money in crypto.
Don't worry, babe. Even if it all goes to zero, I got hella houses.
I got hella houses. I got hella houses, bro. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's going on here. Authentication error. OAuth has expired. Please obtain a new token. Run login. Okay. Login. Sign in with your Anthropic. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. What's up, whoa? Let's go, dude. Authorize. I think Anthropic's down, dude. Anthropic's down. I think Anthropic's down. I think it's down. I'm all set? Okay, perfect. I'm in. So I'm actually going to go ahead and get that prompt. I'm going to get it fixed then. Because why not? So let's go ahead here and say it again. Run it again. Hey. You up? That's my prompt. Below is my prompt. All right, let's get it, dude. I want to fix this because I think this is going to be sick. Sick, dude. Are we still on the NFA? What's up, Claude? What's up, bro, man? What's up, Nick? Good to see you, bro. Rico 777. Dollar, good to see you, bro. 777. The 777 volleyball. What's up, bro? Muhammad says I'm a beginner. Let's get it then. I created something with a version of WhisperFlow where it enhances your prompt with specific instructions like prompt engineer and PRD creator. Fire, dude. That's actually so smart. That is so smart. Wow. Have it built into Whisper to upgrade your prompt. Yo, by the way, happy Halloween, fam. $100 off on the boot camp. If you do want to jump in for Halloween, you can look at the link in the description. It's 100 off. Let's get it. Okay, let me run this prompt agent again because I think this is going to make my prompt so much better. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. I'm going to paste her in. Okay. Now it probably fixes it. Okay. Paste it in. I mean, not really, bro. I don't want you to actually do the prompt. I just wanted you to fix it here in prompt agent. So essentially what happens when I paste it in and I try to hit enter, it doesn't do anything, my friend. At prompt agent, okay. Let's let her work on it. I'm just gonna go ahead and let's run it, dude, because if she's gonna take that long, I'm gonna keep going, dude. Why wouldn't I? Why would I ever slow down? I wake up and I step on the gas. I hope you do too. Our time is now. Let's get it, dude. Okay, she's wrangling. She's doing her thug fizzle. Let's see what she's doing. Let me see the screenshot to understand what's happening. Let's go ahead and see if we got questions on the Twitter. Anywhere you got questions, I got answers, dude. I got answers. Um, let's see. Nope, not looking for plug and play. Got some strategies on my own bot, but not 100% successful of full implementing and backtesting them. Claude always has some issues respecting the implementing and improving. Can you respect any rules or indicators? Yeah, for the most part, you can automate any rules or indicators. So I'm sorry to hear that you're having problems with Claude. I'm not sure where you are in your coding journey, but I do show you how to code and backtest by hand, and I think it makes it a lot easier to really scale this. Sure, completely understood. Don't be foolish to promise. Guess the only promise I'd be needing is that any idea, even complex ones, can be implemented and backtest. Full respect guardrails. Yes. Okay, dude. Let's see how this house coin, if it's, oh, it's just chilling. Accumulation mode. Okay, let's get it, dude. Accumulation mode. Let's get it. Okay. So perfect. What I simplified. Okay, let's go ahead here and say after you paste, just press enter once. Okay. Let's try it again, dude, because I thought this prompt agent was sick, dude. I thought it was sick. But I've never tried it with such a big prompt before. Enter or type submit. I don't know what's going on with this, to be honest. Maybe if I try to put it in there, put it somewhere else. Let me try to put it in my. Does the prompt agent flop is the question. Prompt. It needs to be easy to run. Yeah, for some reason, when I hit enter, I can't even write submit or anything. It's weird. Maybe the prompt is too long. I don't know. Can you please look into this? Thanks, dude. All right, let's answer any questions she has. Okay, so perfect. I've reviewed your dashboards. I can see you have a solid structure with the sweeper dashboard. Okay, mini sweeper, yes. Today's cluster and whale dash. Before I build the closing soon feature, I have a few questions to make sure I implement this exactly how you want it. Data source. When the WebSocket feed gives us trade data, we'll need to fetch the market's end time separately. The WebSocket payload doesn't include expiration times. We'll need to fetch the market's end times separately. Okay, when the WebSocket gives us feed, okay, should I fetch the data every time we see a new market in the sweep feed, or should I periodically scan all markets? Let's do this in parallel so we don't slow things down. But essentially, if you see a new market that's not already in our database and we don't know when it's ending, then you'll go check when it's ending and log when it's ending. And if it's ending within the 72 hours and has not passed already, some of these will pass because if we run this for a week, they're going to be passed. So for example, it could end in 72 hours and then in 96 hours from now, it would be over. So it wouldn't be on our list anymore. Dashboard layout. Do you want the closing soon section at the bottom? Yes, let's have it at the bottom. And definitely save it into a CSV, a separate CSV. For the expiration, I want to see hours until expiration organized by time. We should show that sweep value as we do have it. The one expiring soonest should be at the bottom. That's how we'll organize it. Okay, let's get it, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it. Looks like we got some liquidations coming through here on BTC. Okay, so you can see here she's working on it, and that's going to be sick. Let's go ahead and look at our dash thus far. You can see it's adding up. Okay, so Avalanche versus Golden Knights. She didn't know that was a sport. I don't do the sports, dude. No, I don't do the crypto neither. No, dude. Madura out in 2025. Who is Madura? I don't know. See, the thing is when you're looking at these markets, they're worldwide. I think this is a new, beautiful time to be alive, and I'm grateful that you're here. So Madura out. What did they say? They said yes. Who is Madura, first off? Venezuela's president is removed from power by December 31st. Okay, so that ends on December 31st. Okay, I've never even thought about it. You can see he got 2 sweeps of yes. People were saying yes. What did they know that we don't know? I don't know. That's the thing. Madura out. You can see over in the right side. Sweeps. 2 sweeps. 7.3K. Maybe they know something we don't know. What do you think, dude? What do you think? I think it's time to lock in. I think we found us something here, dude. Let's go ahead and see if she fixed that. Okay, let's go ahead here and say, run it back. Okay, let's go ahead here and grab the home here. Where is that prompt at? That a big boy. Okay. Blank lines inside your pasted prompt. Okay, triggering early submission. Now you must hit submit. Nah, dude, my prompt agent doesn't even work, dude. It's weird because it doesn't even paste in the whole thing. It's like it gets cut off or something. I'm not quite sure what's going on here, but we gotta fix it. You can see it ends sooner than it's supposed to. It ends with the T, and that's not even the full word that we had. It's not even the full word, dude. It's not even the full word. So something weird is going on there, but we'll fix that. Don't worry. Okay, so as you can see, she's working on this. Great. Okay, so I had some agents go ahead and back test me some things yesterday. Let's see what she said. So I see the issue. The backtest architect discovered the original strategy was too restrictive and didn't trade enough. Okay, let me show you the working test. Okay, now let me give you a clear summary. Clear summary for Moondev and the audience. What the backtest architect did, created a multi-time frame swing low demand zone strategy exactly as described in your image. Built 4 variations. Okay, set up multi-data. Okay, ran into problems. The original strategy generated zero trades across 25 data sources. Too restrictive. Data quality issue. The backtest architect discovered your open, high, low, close volume has an anomaly. 83,000 bullish candles. Oh, wow. 0 bearish candles. What the hell? 0 trades. The solution. Created architect created a simplified working version. Generated 362 trades. Option 1, relax the conditions. Option 2, fix the data. Option 3, simplify the concept. What would you like to do? I'd like to close it, dude. I'm going to stay focused on the poly market for now. If you got questions, let me know in the chat. What do you use for voice to text? I appreciate the 5, bro. Much love to you. I use Whisper Flow. You don't have to do that, dog, but thank you. Thank you very much. Very kind of you, dude. Whisper Flow. Just type in Whisper Flow, bro. That's what I use. And it's super far. You just have to hit it with your pinky. You can hear this sound? Hey, baby girl, how you doing? I just hit you with my pinky. Yeah, look. Hey, baby girl, how you doing? I just hit you with my pinky. I made you shake with my pinky. All I needed was my pinky, and I got the legs shaking, baby girl. Hey, Moondev, stay focused. Okay, let's go ahead here and say perfect. Fix the truncation issue. Switch to this. Okay. Paste the entire thing. Type end on a new line. No way, dude. That's silly. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. No way. No way. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not typing end. That's super whack. No, blood. No. No, no, no. Okay, well, let's try it this way. Hey, how you doing, baby girl? What's your name? Let's switch it back to double enter, just how we had it before. And I'll just make sure to write the prompt into the terminal next time, because then it will work. It's just when I copy paste a long ass one, it doesn't seem to work. So we'll just fix it manually. Just go back to the double enter. I don't like the end thing. That's not going to make sense. Thank you. Okay, we're stepping on the gas all day, dude. Let's get it. Me and Nick, let's go. What do you have for us? I don't know. We'll see. Let's go ahead and see. Done, Mr. Moondav. Okay, here's what I built for you. What did it do? Automatically tracks markets closing within 72. Okay, that's not bad. Displays them at the bottom of your screen, your sweeper dashboard. Shows sweep volume for each market. Non-blocking. Uses background threads so dashboard stays fast, fast, fast. I've been living fast, 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 fast. Okay, so of course, expiring markets manager.py. Okay. Core module. Okay. Expiring markets.csv. Yes. Okay. Test expiring markets test script. I already tested it. It ran. Okay. Expiring markets full documentation. And then we go to the sweeper dashboard.py. We imported some things. Background checking of new markets. Okay. Display section at the bottom. Okay. Startup check of existing market. How it works though. When a new sweep comes in, checks if we've seen that market before. If new, spawns background threads so it doesn't block the dashie. The digital dash, we got the expiring markets.csv now. We see dashboard. It shows the sorted by time. Soonest at the bottom so we can see it. Auto cleanup too. Expired markets are removed, dude. We don't want that. CD course, okay, yada, yada, yada. Sweeper dashboard. The test I ran perfectly. Found 2 NHL games, and we said we didn't want NHL games. Parallel non-blocking. Okay, beautiful. Let's go ahead and see what she did, dude. Let's go ahead and see what she did, dude. Let's go ahead and see what she did. Stay sharp, Moondav. Closing soon. Markets ending within 72 hours. Okay. The Celtics versus 76ers. We don't do that, though. Total sweeps. Okay. 58. So now we've got the sweeper dashboard with the ending soon. That's very, very nice, dude. That's very, very nice, dude. Let's get it. Let's step on the gas all day long. Okay, next step, next step. Next thing, next step, next step. Okay, these are all closing soon. Look at that. 7 hours, 48 hours. Okay, this is nice because if you want something that closes soon. Yes, I love this, dude. I love this. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, sweeper dash. Sweeper dash, you did a great job. Let me say that. You did an awesome job. Thank you so, so much. It's not the right one, though. Let's go ahead and run it back. It's not the right one. I'm going to close you for now because I keep getting mixed up. I got one thing on my mind today, and that's Polymarket. Why? Because I think there's edge in it for us retail, us small guys, the ones in their bedrooms. You might be a big dog with an office, and that's cool. All right, I want to go have another section, and essentially this section will take all of our sweeps, and then we'll have a variable. It'll be 80 cents for now, and anything under that 80 cents, if it's under there, or under 20 cents, you know, it could be the opposite side, you know, essentially not if it's over 80 cents, then it's almost resolved. Actually, I want to make that 85 cents. So 85 cents and 15 cents. So if it's over that, it's not going to make this next section, but it's going to be a new section here above the closing soon, but below the sweeps. And it's essentially going to be called possible edge markets, as these markets are the ones that are under 85 cents or under 15 cents. Because if they were over either of those, they're almost resolved and there might not be edge in it. Okay, go ahead and build that feature and ask any questions you may have. All right, let's put it into the prompt agent and see what she does. Okay, so she's applying the principles. She's calling the AI to enhance the prompt. So we're making a better prompt now. What's this, dude? I don't know. I'm walking through the sweeper dashboard. Polymarket. This Polymarket dashboard provides me with a major edge on every single trader I showed how to build it on stream. Live now. Live now. Live now. Halloween. Let's get it, bro. Okay, so you can see my new prompt here. Let's go ahead and send it in because, okay, this is the enhanced prompt. Okay, let's go ahead and just grab this enhanced prompt. Yes. Let's go ahead and read through it. You are a software developer specializing in trading interface features and market analysis. Create a new section called possible edge markets. Okay. Possible sweeps. Yes. Okay. Market prices. Yes. Okay. Critical markets that are above that, it should be excluded. Okay. Display. Beautiful, dude. So you can see I now have a agent that makes my prompt better. You can have that too, dude. It's in the GitHub. Okay, so you want to make a better prompt? Guess what? There are so many blogs out there. There are two in particular though that really make this clean. So I told the agent, go read those two blogs every time I send you in a prompt because I don't want to be wasting cash. Let's go to agents here and you can see the prompt agent that I just used is super sick. It's free in the GitHub prompt agent. All the codes here, but I don't even need to show it because it's all free in the GitHub. Go to the GitHub link in the description, click star, click fork, get it. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Let's lock in. Okay, let's go ahead and give her my new prompt. That thick prompt. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's keep locking in all day. My prompt is so slick. If she's got questions, she's going to ask me. We're going to get this right one time. We don't need to go back and forth anymore. No back and forth anymore. 777 volleyball. Let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead here. Great. I got some questions for you. I want to see anything under 85 cents. Or over 15 cents. So between 15 and 85, essentially. Yeah. You should get the current market price. No duplication needed. Show the sweep volume, yes. Different colors, labels, of course. Okay, I didn't answer one of her questions, but she'll be all right. She'll be all right without that answer, dude. She'll be all right. To answer any questions here on Twitter, let's answer questions in the chat. No questions in the chat. We've done everything we've been told as kids. Didn't get in trouble, finished high school, got a college degree, got a high-paying job, worked up the corporate ladder. Why the F can't we afford a house? That's crazy, dude. I don't know. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know. I wish I did. I wish I had the answers, Sway, but I don't. I wish I had the answers for you, but I don't. So I'm going to keep locking in every single day. See if my house coin bot has bought anything. No, it hasn't. Come on, dog. Let's go. Lock in, dude. Lock in. Please lock in, dude. Let's get it. Time is at 8:55. So she's doing her thug fizzle now. All right, she's testing it out for us. Nice. I'm trying to put together a way to analyze the calculation of an option Greeks I came up with. Any recommendations or setting up the backend? I'm not very technical. First off, you got to get technical. So I'll teach you how to code for free on YouTube, or you can join the boot camp. The boot camp has $100 off today. I will show you how to code any trading strategy you have. From there, you will be able to build anything, including calculations for some Greeks. Quite easy, dude. Quite easy, but there's a lot of edge in that because a lot of people do not want to do that. So I'm excited that you're looking into it. Much love to you. Can you set up a hook for commits? What does that mean? A hook for commits. So I'm a open source developer and somebody just asked, can you set up a hook for commits? I don't know what that means. Can you explain it? Short, concise, thanks. Okay, so you can see here, we have now updated the sweeper dashboard. Done, Mr. Moondev. Your possible edge market section is ready. New feature, possible edge markets detection. Automatically finds markets with the price of under 15 cents or over 85 cents. Filters out markets between. So you got it backwards, actually. You actually got it backwards. I want markets that are above 15 cents where somebody sweeped, but below 85 cents. So you'll put those. Yeah, I see the edge lower, edge upper. You just have it backwards. So it needs to be in between those two. Go ahead and fix that. Thank you. It was my bad. I mean, it was my bad. Okay, you can see a commit hook is an automated script that runs at specific points during the get process. Pre-commit hook runs before the commit is finalized. Often used to check code formatting. Okay, post-commit hook, enforce code quality automatically. Okay, prevent bad code from being committed. Okay, basic setup, get hooks. Okay, I see what you're saying. Can I set that up? I'm good. Haha. I'll just push it when I push it. This is actually not in the open source GitHub. If you want this code, jump into the bootcamp and grab the $100 off today, as I do have a Polymarket section here that you can add on. This is a Polymarket course, dude. Step by step, I show you everything about Polymarket. Everything. Let's get it, dude. And you get $100 off, so you might as well today, because that's pretty much makes it free. It pretty much makes it free, my B. Let's get it, dude. So she had it backwards. Just do the little flip flop, switch swap. Flip flop. Wit wop. Okay, it passed its test. I don't know why you're testing it. You already know it works. It's okay though. It's okay though. I'm not necessarily trying to make a trading strategy. I'm trying to build a dashboard or sorts where I can view all option strikes. Nice, dude. 777, Adrian. Well, you gotta learn how to code to do that, dude. But it sounds fire. Tactical momentum ring strat. Okay. Now we got it going. Okay, let's go ahead and see here. Edge markets. Okay, let's go ahead and see how it looks. I term. Yes. So you can see those ones are ending soon. Nice, dude. That's very, very neat. Total sweeps 81. We got all the sweeps. The sweepers are sweeping. We've got all the sweeps we need. Come on, bro. What's up? Okay, there we go. Closing soon. I like this feature, dude. Just built a closing soon feature into our Polymarket dashboard. One thing about PM is that some of the trades or the markets don't end for a while. So this section makes it easy to find the closing soon markets that may be more volatile. I like it, dude. I think it's fire. I think it's fire, dude. I think it's fire, dude. Okay, let's see. Closing soon. What's up? Where's the other one at? Oh, it's right here. Possible edge markets. Not slam dunks. Real opportunities. Okay. So current price, okay. Sweet volume, okay. This is fire too, honestly. Possible edge markets, not slam dunks. Possible opportunities, okay. Let's go ahead and paste that. That's a good one too, dude. Let's go ahead and say post here. This is interesting. Polymarket dashboard now has the possible edge markets. The ones where people have been buying a ton recently, but the price isn't the market isn't fully decided yet. There are so many opportunities in prediction markets. Ops. Okay, I'll post that later because I just spammed. Okay, let's go ahead and look at them, dude. So Virginia, okay. Avalanche. I see. The thing is there any other way? Let's ask her that. Let's ask her that. Is there any tags on any of these because I would rather not have sports or crypto. Can you go ahead and build a script to see what data we get back? And if it tells us the category of it, I want you to print out the categories or the information that we do get back. Don't change any code because I will need to instruct you on how to filter these out. But the goal is to not show any crypto or sports markets, which it does currently. Great job, by the way. Great job. Great job, dude. Great job, Adrian. Good to have you back, dude. Much love. Much love. Much love. Much love. Much love. Much love. The new closing soon feature on Polymarket dashboard makes it easy to spot potential volatile markets. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't. All right, let's go ahead and explore this in the meantime. Let's go ahead and explore. Let's do a little door exploring. Okay, so you can see these. Okay, so we got the sweeps. Okay, these are all the big trades here. Can watch all of them all day long. This is alpha, dude. Okay, closing soon markets. Okay, I got the Bitcoin, the Ethereum. I don't want those. Sam, okay, I don't want the sports either. So this should be much smaller because I think there's too many emotional traders that it's not a good place to follow people, you know? Okay, so you can see here Taylor Swift pregnant in 2025. Yes is 9%. Interesting. So it looks like that's incorrect. So let's go ahead and shout her out. It looks like our possible edge markets aren't correct. You can see this, for example, this Taylor Swift one here. It says that it is 50 cents, but really it's 9.92. So this would actually be filtered out, dude. That would actually be filtered out too. What up, Jimmy? Jimmy in the chat. He's up in the chat. He's back, baby. Non-financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, even for Jimmy. Even for our young boy, Jimmy. Da 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 da. All right, let's go ahead and see here. This clip shows new closing feature. Demonstrates how to spot potential volatile markets. Okay, well, let's close that out for now. Okay, what'd she say? Done, Mr. Moondev. Okay, best field, sports market. The NHL has sports market money line. This is a clear indicator. Here's what we found. Okay. Course metadata.py script. Okay. Market filtering.data. Complete documentation of all fields. Okay. Fields can help. Best for sports. Okay. NHL, Bitcoin. I suggest a combined approach. Check if sports market type exists. This catches everything. And then about the filtering, do your recommended combined one in order to try to filter out as much crypto and sports as possible. Because I think those are the gotchas on Polymarket, sports and crypto. you're gonna trade crypto, go over to a different, go to an exchange. Unless you want to keep trading crypto and you just want 1000x leverage, you can do that here on Polymarket. That being said, I think Polymarket's edge is in other markets than crypto and sports. Sports, gamblers, bettors, your friends love the Lakers. They love the Celtics. They love the Broncos. They love the Texans. They love the Penguins. You know? We're Mexi up in here? What the hell he used? Mexi, bro? Scary, scary times, dude. Scary, scary times. Scary, scary place over there in Mexi. They hold their funds very, very tightly. If you win, you might not be able to get it off the exchange. Okay, we got Claude Code working here. And yeah, so yes, it says 9 cents and no 92, but we're showing 50 for everything. That's definitely broken. The markets are showing 50, which means the price is fetching and falling. Yes, it does. Dun, 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 dun. All right, dude, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Keep locking in with me. I'll keep locking in with you. 777, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, so she's building out the sweeper dashboard with these updates here, and I absolutely cannot wait. I absolutely cannot wait. I absolutely cannot wait. I'm so excited. What is going on over here in the market this morning? Well, it looks like not much. We're going sideways. We're sitting sideways. Boys in the days. Sitting sideways. Boys in the days. I got in on the FUD today. I dislike Mexi. Okay. But anyways, super data pipeline finished to S3 storage. Just setting up server. Gonna go with Contabo because they're dirt cheap. They are dirt cheap, aren't they? We like Contabo around here. Man, it's taking me ages to get it right. Been stressing me out. API also set up for Rack House. Nice. ClickHouse, I've heard good things. Then straight to S3 cold collecting all the order book data for the crypto markets on Polymarket. Damn, I was just hating on the Polymarket crypto markets, dude. I was literally just hating on them. But if you want mad leverage, okay, that's fine. Oh my god, AI 16Z today. What is going on? What the hell? They're going crazy. 44%. Holy smokes. I know it's down bad, but damn. Anybody see this? I hope nobody's trading that. Okay, you can see there's no sports markets now. Let's see how it do. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Will Como win? No. Yes. Wow, a lot of no's sweeping in. Ethereum's stock. Look at that. Okay, Coco out of jail. Madura out of jail. Is this right though? Let's go ahead and see if she's right. Get it right. Get it tight. 25. 22. Okay, that's fine. It's close enough. 28. Okay, 28. Okay. Okay, let's get it, bro. Yeah. Okay. That shows sports, but that's okay. I don't want sports. I don't want crypto. It's the end. That's the end of the day. That's just my opinion. Just based off of what I've tried. Just based off tried. Just what I tried, dude. What I've tried. Maybe you're better than I. Maybe you are. You probably are. Let's be honest. I'm just a random in my bedroom. Ass with you. I know. I know. You don't need to put the moon dab on a pedestal because he's just a regular dude too. He's just a dude trying to find alpha too, dude. That's all. I'm gonna show you everything along the way because I believe code is a great equalizer, and I believe if you learn how to code, you could build for the rest of your life, and you could throw the FU to the man. Forever. Forever. You can say FU to the man because guess what? You know how to code, you can build for the rest of your life. I can't wait for you to learn how to code. That's why I'm here, dude. Yes, I'll go trading this fun. Yes, I like making money. Yes, I like gambling. Yes, okay. All that's fun. So it looks like, are you able to do that same filter with the closing soon section? Because it looks like the closing soon section still has some crypto and some sports. Okay, thank you. I don't know if you just missed that. Maybe you did. If you didn't, well, hell. Well, whatchamacallit? Whatchamacallitinin? That's what she said. Okay, let's see if we find anything here. So no, we've got a lot of sweeps for Andrew Como knows. Okay, so I haven't been paying attention to that market at all, just because I just don't like New York that much. I like New York the city, but I just, Wall Street doesn't share anything with us, so I kind of have a hatred for New York as well. So I'm not gonna take any trades that have anything to do with New York. I'm sorry. I'm kind of a hater, kind of like everybody hates California. It's just because it's like the best state. They got everything there, so I'm just a hater. I'm just a hater because they got something I don't have. And New York is super sick. It's a super sick place, and I don't live there, so I'm a hate. So I'm a hate, dude. I'm a hate. Do you use tick data, order book data? So you use tick data. The value as it what the current price should be. The value as in what the current price should be. What do you mean, bro? It's up or down. Those markets, those are crypto markets. Oh, sorry. I'm way behind you guys. Yeah, but everyone is gambling on Polymarket crypto markets. That's why I'm setting up an ML, and I'm certain I can beat the competition in there. I'm certain you can too, dude. But the data will tell me anyway, man. So I'll let you know. That's fire, dude. I mean, you make me think. You make me think. You're right. Like, there's a lot of gamblers over there on Polymarket, and right now it's pretty nascent, early. So maybe you will be able to pull some alpha. I guess for me, I just don't want the habit, right? I don't want the habit. Holy moly, dude. Look at this. We saw this. I just don't want the habit of trading these crypto markets because it's too easy. It's too easy to go here and just sit here all day. It's too easy. I don't want that habit ever. Like, this is 1,000x leverage. I don't know what it is exactly, but, you know, betting the price every 15 minutes, price to beat 109, 5653. Like, you could bet up or down. And, yeah, I just don't see the, it's too much leverage. It's too much leverage for me. But if you could probably build a model for it. Yeah. I'm just staying away from it because I think there's edge in these other markets. So for crypto stuff, I'm already pretty locked. I'm pretty locked. Got plenty of exchanges. But Jimmy, if Jimmy's building for it, Jimmy's got some credibility here, dude. So I think he will beat the market on Polymarket. So let's get it. Okay, fixed. Closing section soon. You're totally right. I missed it. But now it's fixed. Okay. Don't worry about it, shorty. You are good. You are so good, dude. Hey, girl. What's up? Why won't you stop? Why won't you stop for me? Come on, girl. Drop it like it's hot. Please. Total sweeps. It's working right now. That's why I got. Okay, there she goes. Okay, now let's run it back and see what she looks like now. Okay, so here are all the sweeps in the last hour or so, probably. Yes. 60 minutes. We can see everything. And now it's going to filter out the sports, or at least try. So closing soon markets. Okay, so we got esports. We got 2 esports. That's fine because I don't know if... Actually, I just don't have enough knowledge on esports. But let's look at them. Sweep volume. Hold up. Both of these... Hold up. Possible edge markets and sweep markets. We want both of those to have... we want both of these to show the side as well. Because, you know, we can see the amount, which is awesome. But we need to know, what side they're on, you know? Yes, no, or maybe something else, you know? Okay, let's get it, dude. See if there's any questions in the chat. When I got the AI working, I'm going to go ahead and answer questions. It's good practice for data collection anyway, man. I hadn't set up a server on my data, so I need to sort it out anyway. Yeah, and I don't want to discourage anybody from doing anything. Yeah, I think it's interesting. Just explore whatever works for you because I can't tell you what to trade. I could just give you my thoughts on things. Much love to you. 777, please read this. I don't know what's going to work. So the only thing I know is that I'm wrong. I'm wrong a lot of the time. Is this rage bait? No. Just my findings. Trading those short-term markets, crypto markets on PM is just the same. I mean, it's a better form of it, maybe. You can argue that, but this is just my opinion. This is rage bait. Vashu e-girl. Vashu e-girl. Just built a closing feature. This is sick, dude. Super sick. Super duper sick. Okay, let's post this one now. Where'd it go? Right here? Post. Actually, I want to go ahead and redo this because it's not even correct. It's not even correct yet. Okay, let's see how she's doing. So, okay, she's updating. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Using Claude Code, of course. Perfect idea, Moondev. I need to put the yes or no. Yes. Yes, you do, girl. Side column, okay. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this going now. Got a ETH liquidation here. A little licky licky for Ethy. 4 minutes till open. A16Z going crazy. A16Z is going crazy. I wonder why. AI16Z, should we look it up? AI16Z. What's really happening? AI16Z is finalizing the move to AI16Z with a 1-to-2 6 token split. What the hell, dude? No way. That's hella funny. What the heck is this? A stock? Supply expands to 11 billion. 40% real inflation. The heli, bro? The split alone doesn't change FDV. The inflation, dude. That means if nothing else changes, the market price is priced it instantly. Holders will be diluted 40%. The bet here is simple. Demand plus product plus network growth equals over dilution. Project is trying to move from meme culture to a real agent OS, open source agent framework. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. I wish them luck. Much love. Fire to see that they're pumping. Let's go ahead here and see what this new thing looks like. Okay, so you can see here possible. No plus yes. The heli? Oh, no and yes. Bado boo. Okay, let's go ahead and post that. So it's over for crypto. Time to head back to the house. Nobody gets your stupid ass humor, bro. Nobody gets that. Nobody gets that. Nobody gets that. It's okay. Okay, so now we have these new things here, and these are fire because guess what? Now, okay, so based off of these dashboards, do we have a place where we're saving all of these things to the CSV? I know we got the sweeps dashboard. I'm curious if we have a possible edge CSV or closing soon CSV, and then the cluster CSV, and then the mini sweeper CSV. I guess we don't need the mini sweeper, but yeah, talk to me about the CSV files that we are populating, how often they're populated, and then, direct me to those full paths because this is something I can have AI agents analyze for me at all times and then possibly take the trades for me as well. So I just want to talk about that. No coding needed here. Just go ahead and analyze the CSVs and then go ahead and make a .md saying agent analyzing .md with the whole like where are the paths, etc., what data we have, etc. Yes, go ahead. Thanks. Okay, dude. Okay, we're locking in today. Bro, you are predicting if price goes up or down in 15 minutes. Um, I mean, bots versus humans are just doing way better. I'm confused. Why wouldn't you want to hop on crypto markets? That's where the bots have the edge. I don't. I have plenty of bots on crypto markets, so I'm not really trying to trade Polymarket crypto. I'm sorry. But you guys can do whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor. You can hold your own piss, dude. You don't have to listen to me. You don't have to listen to me. Honestly, I would fade me. Anything I say, I'll do the opposite. But I'm not a financial advisor. I can't even tell you to do the opposite, dude. All I can advise you to do is work hard every single day and figure out something that you actually like to do, because then working hard is easy. You know? It's not really working hard, it's playing hard. I want to play harder, play harder. I want to play harder, play harder. Play harder, play harder, play harder. Come on, step on the gas. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. This is one life. Let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. This guy, this AI is so funny, dude. Just literally comments on everything. I've retweeted it at one time because it was actually fire. So Chu in jail, dude. What the hell? He's going to jail for what? Who is this? Ju Kung Hu? Will he be in jail? What did they say? They said yes at 22. What the heck? Who is this guy? This market will resolve if he's in jail between October 30th and 2025. Can't give you financial advice, dude. I can't. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't give you financial advice. The only advice I can give you is to step on the gas. Please, please, please. Please, please, please. I can't give you financial advice, dude. Polymarket dashboard. It's a fire thing here. Those running in Polymarket dash for trading and crypto, sports and crypto are silly illies. Silly illies, bro. Silly illies. Okay, perfect. So this is what I wanted to read here. And this is going to tee off what I'll build next. Today, maybe. Okay, analysis complete, Moondev. Actively populated CSVs. What AI agents should monitor. The sweeps database. Okay, that's the primary. CSV. Updated real time. Full path. Okay, contains all sweep data. Price, volume, side, trader, markets. Okay, expiring markets. Okay, for time sensitive trades. Updated. Yes, okay. Mean reversion CSVs for bot trading positions. Mean reversion. We don't want that. No. No separate CSVs. Edge markets just displays the sweeps CSV clusters. Okay. Important note to edge markets and clusters don't save CSVs. They process sweeps database. One source, multiple views. Okay. AI agents should focus on sweeps, dashboard, and expiring markets. Okay. So let's go ahead and put this on my notey notes. And if you want to see this part, let me know. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know on Twitter. Be like, yo, I want to see that Polymarket stuff you're about to do. I want those agents to be put in there, dude. So let's go ahead and put that on the note sheet. I'll put it on the note sheet. If you guys say you want to see this, I'll go ahead and show you it. So these different CSVs are pretty much the dashboard that we have, and we could have the AI agents go through them and make picks. Okay, so that's on the list. I don't know when, but I know that if you're locked in, you will see it, dude. So if you're not here live, that's the end for you. Come back. I'm live every single day, dude. Let's get it.